It's getting too chocolatey.
What are we making today, Fikaya?
Hot chocolate.
Ah, it's going to be yummy. First, we're going to put the cocoa powder in a jar. Where's the cocoa powder?
Is that the cocoa?
Indeed, it's the cocoa. Will you pour the cocoa in the jar for mommy, please?
Yeah.
Do it very carefully.
Okay. Not spin it.
Okay. Good work. So now you can put the sugar in the jar.
Okay.
Carefully. Good work.
I know it made a mess.
Ah, not too bad. And now we have some corn flour
Do you need
to make it thick. Yes, pour it in. Good work. Now we're going to shake it, shake it, shake it.
Okay.
To make the chocolate, we add our chocolate mixture into a cup. Now mommy is going to add some hot milk. What's left to do with our hot chocolate?
And put marshmallows in.
Okay, do you want to put a marshmallow in?
Yeah. I like it. Yummy.